Hi, welcome to assembling. In this video, we're going to just assemble a really basic drivetrain. And by drivetrain, I mean just the frame. To start this, you're going to need to make 4 individual bars. The measurements don't really matter for this assembly, but just make 4 bars that are hollow, with 2 bars being equal in size and longer than the other 2 bars. I'll quickly show my process here, but if you watched the last sketching videos, this shouldn't be a problem. You'll also be able to see my measurements if that helps. You can choose to make these bars in different part studios, but that's up for personal preference. You can just make them in one part studio. Anyway, let's get to assembling. First, insert your parts. Click on Insert, then click and drag the parts you want. Then let's put them together using mates. Most of the time, you'll just be using fastened mates, which puts the things together, and that's that. You may also use a revolute mate, which means you can rotate the piece after mating them. Anyway, doing mates can be a little tenacious since at literally every corner you can put a mate, which is great for options, but not great for your sanity. With this in mind, take your time finding where you want to mate and zoom in to look closely. Okay, so I'm just selecting the corners that'll connect. Sometimes it'll look kind of wonky, and when that happens, click Solve. Once it looks right, click the check mark to confirm it. Like I said, since mating can be tricky, I'll just briefly show how I mated the rest of the corners. And that's it. Thanks for watching these videos. Good luck on your CADing, and make sure to ask your local leads or CAD lead when you have questions. Bye.